reception.
Alright, we catch your ring. Just say hello and the reception. Talk about the reception.
Can't hear mom, can't. I go closer to where reception is.
Man, action.
Hello, mommy? I can't hear you. Let me go closer to the Wi-Fi.
Alright, good.
That's good.
I just happened all ago.
Oh, Shan just called her mother overseas and told her that she and Ricky plan to sell the house. Luckily, Shan's mother is very supportive, so her mother was like, whatever you want to do, as long as you're happy. So me now, being her cousin, jealous and not as privileged, I was like, I saw auntie love you. Damn, I wish I was as privileged as that.
But Rena have to establish the fact that she get some money from some source, and the source where she get her money from is her mother, because I don't know her man and the amount of her money, so we have to establish that in our movie. So we just establish a call with the mother and she.
Oh, my time? Movie time for me. You want to film? You can film?
Yeah, I did the laundry today.
Differently do anything, they have follow up clothes or some money, you should have make me, you know. They can't give me some money, you can't get some money from your mother.
Good.
Differently do, you know. They have follow up clothes or some money, you should have make me, you know. Give me some money, man. You can't get some money from your mother.
So much money when I get last week.
I'm not talking about that. Why when... I can't always that straight from the topic. Get some money, get some money from your mother.
Well, you already said that. What happened to the money we gave last week? Really?
So what happened to money when I get last week?
I know that me talk to you about, man.
Alright, no talking!
Nice control.
No talking!
You know, it's a little jam, you know, and I was wondering if you can send me some money.
I'm not understanding. So, what happened to the house that you just sold?
You know, I'm not ready to start the business as yet because, you know, I watch the trends and everything. So I put the money in on fixed deposit. So I don't really have access to it now. But the money's there, it's in a bank. I just never want to go to it. So you can send it for me?
How much do you need?
You can send me 500.
Oh, okay. I'll try.
You can send 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah. No problem?
Okay. I'll try to send it next week.
Alright. Alright, mommy. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
A 900 out of 1,000.
You see position where you put me in?
Yeah, 900 where we you need no money, you can always call them back so easy and give you $1,000. Can $900?
I feel like that's so easy she give me, but wait until she start asking questions here.
I start out the things. You ask him for 500 and I tell 1,000. Me get, man get the money and man. You know much of that that's charge.
Very good? The movie around 3 hours to look at. I don't know, I so long still.
You know, so long, but just cut it down.
Yeah, I'm by the time I start
I
cutting
think
your
she's
fright.
still there.
Hello?
Alright, what Papa I did? We brought...
Look what she's done. Take that out there, man. So, kudos, camera girl.
So you want, so you know, wait, so we're going to do scene when we meet? Or what?
Max first. First. Because no one just said that, but I don't know.
Ask him.
You know about I don't see when I'm acting me.
Sir, behind the camera. People in front of the camera. Screen. Blondie, back at it.
This wig is hella tight. So what's up?
You tell us.
Why do I look like this? May I play a girl if he likes things like this when our dark skin hot.
Okay. If you could change one thing about your life, anything, what would you change?
How much I'm making.
Your turn, it can't be the same answer.
Say how much money I have now.
Similar.
Definitely change.
Same thing.
Okay, I want to be from point A to point B. Yo, I always want to fly now. Especially look for me.
Flying.
I wish I could fly.
I'm scared of heights.
I wouldn't be scared of heights if I could fly.
Alright, so yeah. After a while, it's come like the same thing I do over and over in terms of speeches, but we always do a brand new movie, so this is nothing different. Just do a brand new movie. That one I can have a little different concept where I try to highlight Jamaica in all facets. From the negative side to the positive side, plus the beauty.
That's it.
Yeah.
I hold this over here, so. Burn it down flat. What you have to say to the people, man, I'm a general?
Just stay tuned, you know.
Just stay tuned.
Talk to normal, but.
Hi, my name is Shawang. Shawang.
She's Chinese?
My mother was an Indian, and my father was a Chinese.
Oh, yes, sir. What go on?
Yeah, I know.
What happened? Yeah, I can move over there, though.
River vibes, you know what I mean?
River vibes.
Update to the public report.
Hold on, man. Me say if I act you there, act, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh, Zine. What kind of role do I play?
You must not even know, but we have to work with it.
I miss.
See that?
Hello.
How you so busy?
Never gone out of bus.
I want to see a gun I give you.
Step on them ball.
Heartless and cold.
Heartless and cold.
Story.
So, public reporter, you say you act today?
Yeah, man, acting going today, you know what I mean? New thing, new vibes. Check it out, you know what I mean? Like, go nice. Right?
Oh, Zine.
Right?
Right.
Oh, Jano. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not record that.
Record it.
No. Come and tell me about your movie where you act.
Well, thank you all for subscribing and watching the movie with me. I love you all. I've been seeing the comments.
No, I'm near your man. I'm near your man. You sell it, Juta win you. Then Juta control you. And then now you meet him on the beach. You meet him on the beach now. Yeah, so at that time now you start move up on the board. And he fall in love with you.
Okay.
Yeah, he fall in love.
Meeting is what kind of meeting?
They fall in love too?
Well, she on the beach, us, you know.
Hustle.
Yeah.
So like he come and he get to a little, he just do a little business and
Budget
fall in
meeting,
love.
a budget meeting. Yeah, financial, you know what I mean?
Do a little budget meeting and fall
Worry
in love.
about me, like cleaner, you know what I mean? I'll be there.
Nothing is wrong with that.
Classifieds. I'll be there.
It's a normal nigger situation.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Rent a drink today.
Rory! Yo, Wagwan! Yo, phone! Me a come! Yo, Wagwan.
Yo, me are something serious with you in a forward.
Me know say you me never come and buy a film, you know. But I could have come. Sister already there, mother say me for the yard.
No man, I know that. I something serious than that. When me there bargain, my father call me, I would believe when he tell me say.
So your father call and tell you say,
Father tell me say me not to left out the yard. If you avoid bargain, and me avoid bargain, you gonna buy one PlayStation 3 for me and one of my friends, and he say, who me fi buy for me? Tell me say, I want one for you.
you too lie, your father not buy no PS3.
God no, true thing. Me run from bargain and come run and say something happen. I think tell me yesterday.
When you say I'm gonna go get them?
No, he said if you avoid bargain, so me avoid bargain come on a PS3.
Alright, remember what you say no? Remember what you say? You go up now, no? Because mommy no like when me come out just so, you know. That TV so, you go up.
Alright, me I can go down to you now if I not liquor more.
Oh, Juta, you me look fine now. You me look fine.
So you didn't know you.
say, a brown man down the road, see me and say, I want to see you from window.
So the brown man I look for me for, brother. Brown man I look for me for. Tell me say me a person. Tell me say I see.
So my youth, I'm link the other day for this, my not to link back. How you see the nurse just loose up?
Brother, don't lick fire upon that already. That the man the way I talk about joke thing that, brother. That the man they not strap you, that the man they just used to drive faking. And me I go tell her me youth say me go buy him PlayStation just to stay in her yard. Brother, that's soft man you. Soft done.
So you say, you sure say everything good? Cause that the girl there, you know, normal girl from high school, you know, that girl will slap out people brain right, knowing. You understand? So you sure say everything good? Make sure, so you sure say everything good.
My youth.
You understand? Make sure.
When the girl they come there, you see her with the strap. Them not on the strap.
So alright then, you have the strap now?
Me never left it yet.
Trita, I know say I have a strap but I never see it. The same time she could have her strap, but I never see it. You get to me and say my father.
I understand what you're saying now. But we don't talk to fire, you know. About that, you know. Fire me I work with, you see me? Man said that lost my youth. So I let go that. You see me live and pray about that. And my youth, PlayStation money me I pray about right now. You see me? So you can't go and stress out yourself over that. I'm good. You hear that?
That's me general. Still, fire not God enough. You can't see everything. You understand? Right now, I couldn't talk so loose. Now go and really understand. So we link up.
Yeah, well, man.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Your name is Rice?
Yes.
So you two you them really out to say your grandson them though?
Yeah man, and my grandson, what happened?
Me don't know how to tell this now, you know. But you see your grandson them.
Yes.
You have to go send with them.
Send them my grandson. For what? Why me must send them when now?
One. You see Jota, the serious man, you know. You're not fine. You understand?
Yeah.
And no one go around. You understand?
You understand.
So that's why I'm not sure to say. Because send when you grandson them, I don't want no trouble. You understand my son? Give me a day of body, you know, give me a nice buzz, you know. You know, no more weed. You don't give me a face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week, I give you weed. Yesterday, I give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock, I give you weed. And just a while ago, I give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. No laughing about man. Acha.
And keep it changed too, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? How much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on where?
There in a car park. I have everything, you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. can tell you what one, you see it one youth, you see man. I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see me going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you have to put your thing together still, because here one now. At first I really come up short still, you know. First I really come up short. I open another red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open another red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, your place and you run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressurize when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? At first, you're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father was a good man, you know. And he was good to we went out young too. So I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Let's up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know if you deal with it, and you just put the rest upon that, and you know, so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss now and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. Be short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. Later you get back your money. Forward, man. I move like you don't want forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers who pay me. Customers will take out their money set time when me take out the weed set time. And if you come off a sidewalk, you know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want to do weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, where the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out of it for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you, where the pants. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never say selling weed is a career either, but that's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life now affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to so I smoke weed. Sit down and I will have vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. I think they go short, you know. Yeah, man, because watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man, a good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, I tell you, she good, man. You hear me I say no Peter, man, she good. When I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross, because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have now passed, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
Me not have that, you know.
I don't have it. Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, oh yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello?
Cameraman, what you do? You don't see a lockdown time I come?
We still have to work.
Police them down there, so you know.
I say higher powers to be there, alright, and well fed, you know, so we have to feed ourselves.
Alright, Mr. Brown.
I must round this aside. Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar. Come here.
What I say, Wagwan General.
Oscar.
Yeah.
Why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from your workplace. I want to go on up there. What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes not to like tell mama certain things, you know, because mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But so me get fire, but me not get no fire, you know. See it? I said big that I go on up at hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you pray. I go on up at hotel there. See? Yo, you see little catty when I walk around with a little broad, short catty.
Yeah, man. That little catty there. Now you're a catty where you're not coming on the other day?
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, I'm going to show me a prayer. Walk my team up at the hotel and tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that go on up there? And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire? You see them boss boy? And them something they really go on with up there?
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, you know. Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because you know, it's up at the hotel there. A whole heap of liquor carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because you what? I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. I have one little thing up my yard to deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what am I take me get down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you see any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from my day, I realized say I be a night shift for my give me and And night time I go in him office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in him job, I catch him a look for me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in the office.
Hello.
General, what
Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the man because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop round for me. Yeah. Remember that little bridging there one day, I tell you, say, work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my brethren, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody. But more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, you must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him, woman.
Rape? What you say to me? So you no report it?
No, man, we never really want to make no report yet. You see me? That's how I call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of. You see me? If we take her money, if she can take her money off him or cool that down her.
No, man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We know if you go report it. He told them go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know if you know because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah, man, that man is heavy, man, so you know if you know the same way. Yeah, man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah, man. Give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is this, man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I see what I'm from behind. And I say, Mr. John, so what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on me. And then he will start tear off my clothes. Alright, me.
So we tell, you go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to believe. Because they not going to say Mr. Johnson have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then or say no to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Now we are film.
Why?
Them are the movie. So if you go on Richard Brown films on your phone, they will see it. No, serious. Like movies, Jamaican movies. Yeah. So, boss, you over there, so they all look like a brown man and the other girl in my films, them man. See if I go on, huh?
You don't really want to nobody will hand anymore?
No.
I like things said nobody don't hold hand. But don't look weird and it's sun hot with this like some mad people.
Let me ask her why she man who is a sun hot there.
So Richie, you're not afraid like you're not on your mask or nothing?
Master? Yeah, I'm afraid of what?
Eh?
COVID.
Amount of people are there now.
COVID. Listen, you know.
I joke, my mask not here. I go for mask.
My mask not here. But you know people.
Let me go for. No, I'm not unrolling. I put on the mask. Rest your camera. Mr. Lawrence, nah, unroll. But I might not hear me too clear now, but hello. Police are still about the place. Ask him about the camera and how it works. Oh, man. Oh, what go on, my boss? Yeah, we find out about the camera. So, that's in the camera. We have no movies yet. We can look on that
No,
big
this
shot
is
of
the
this.
first one we actually have a shoot. We need some more batteries, so we can have technical time with it, but I use it to shoot that one, the first one.
Alright, so what experience using the camera?
It's nice. It really feel like, you know, when you have a brand new toy,
Yeah.
you can play with, feel good.
Yeah.
So long to take a change, man.
This sun red down here, people, so don't let come down here without a buckle of water. Hot and miserable. One bag of lockdown business. What you mean, Andrew? Go and do it. So, Mr. Brown, meanwhile, we go and wait for the actress for change. Tell what go on. What kind of movie this you shoot?
Well, I think it's one of them typical Caribbean type story. You know, of struggle.
Okay.
You know, of one, a struggle from a female perspective in terms of all the abuse and family struggle we then go through.
Oh.
So it's a story based upon that, and I think it's very relatable. A lot of females who've been through the same situation now can relate to it.
Okay. Alright, so I hear that. Go and look forward to that movie.
How long does it take to change one shirt?
I don't know. I wait for actress to change, people. No, sir. A while ago, I see her kick up her foot them in the ear. She did this, I change, people. Watch my ball out and I top video. And I probably can't see her friends. So I'm zoom some more, see if I can see. See there.
Yeah, it's here. Bring them up.
Get on forward. The favor massacre like. Whoa. Hey, my friend. You can't vex with me, you know. I feel me have a plan on my infringe pan and I'm you're going like say, oh, I me do the thing. I don't me do it, man. Days and days. Come hurry up the people, I'm sure. She wanna go take pictures for the beach, people. Fret, you. So we have followed them. Anywhere they ain't go them, I go with them.
Everywhere I went to, man.
Oh, right, I can't go in there people in film.
Hold on, don't walk up your neck. Hold on. Should I use to them? Them love it over so.
You say people nowadays no hug up. No hold hand and hug up. We get a look on the 6K screen here, people. If we can make out nothing on it. I can't see nothing from here, so.
They say you're used to them hold hands. A basic school people hold hand?
Sure, I get a look on the screen. Alright, so your town still people well busy. That I go on in the girl town. Huh?
Alright, we are putting that again. What are the parts? What are the stop? What stop? Come back again, man. We don't want to stop for.
Man, you understand?
You don't want to mask. You don't want to mask. You don't want to mask. I look at the man here for the number one. Walk that.
You have to call the people in brown man, you don't call them.
I can't find the number, brother. But the number on the phone. What's it like?
I'm come out the people I'm seeing. Video. Mama, smile.
Alright. Don't mind me getting the money out by that. I want to do that. What do you have? Ready?
Hey, you take this up.
No. Come on, master.
Blood cloud.
No, master, me car.
Height me a van.
No, more than one master, I car.
John was star.
Oh, dear, like a fire, brother.
So, as you can see people, the son I deal with me one way. One time I can walk go back up. Nice still.
I'm fully protected.
A vaccine you have to take. Why name of that cake place, Richie?
I don't know.
OMG.
OMG?
Oh my god.
Yeah, so people with the inside of this pastry place named OMG Negri. So, Mr. Hoden, a Black Forest is?
This one? Black Forest.
How much is a slice of Black Forest?
500.
Oh, yeah, but I'm cake or ice cream?
Yeah, Black Forest.
You want bird cheese?
Hey, no. I want to get every mess up on if I do over this scene. So I'm going to feed him ice cream or what?
No, change up.
Hold on, me. I want to know what bird feeding or what?
No, it's regular feeding. We're not over it.
And that means say,
Me can't ask question.
It sounds like fire.
Don't do that. Come on.
So we're looking at this first?
Yeah, we're looking at it. And then probably find for one.
Yeah, that man.
Yeah, but step forward. You step forward to the right. Stay side out.
Oh, kid, blue nose people.
Find forward. Ready?
Miss, how much is Black Forest?
Black Forest cheesecake is $5.20.
Come on, good man. We're not some chatting. Where's my
What is this? Is it good?
good. Alright.
The one outside is good too?
Yeah, I'm just getting out. I walk.
What you mean, brown man?
What would I do next?
Get your wife a Black Forest cake.
I don't need no party.
Black Forest cheese or Black Forest?
Black Forest cheese.
Black Forest cheese.
Cheese.
Listen, I've
after I make my plans, so me I go on beach go take picture.
Maybe you tell them already.
This Rasta man come talk with so we are going to shoot video. And that never in my vocabulary, in my
Someone can come up and stare at us and talk now?
I don't want to care up in my face.
But if you come up, it's in your face.
Alright, go man. You just sketch your hand. I'm not get your face now, yeah man? Unless you want to.
Nothing.
Okay.
You know, just like trade them, mom.
You're afraid of camera, you're running for the camera, brother.
She don't want famous.
Go man. Have the money on and push it here. Take out your hand. Take out your hand. Put the money here. Put the money here. What are you going to put the gear on the door?
No, shower, she never
That's good, that's good. Where's the kick? Where's the kick? Kick, really on time.
One more, please. Gentlemen.
Once up, right?
What's that thing there, miss?
What?
Is it that oven?
Yes, it is.
No, it's an oven.
You start like I said, really the song we're singing. Alright, ready for getting it now? Hey! I can't get some out already.
What you ready? Sit there.
May I talk to?
No, sir.
Oh, can I sound so loud?
Sit there. Oatmeal raisin. I got 3 oatmeal, yeah?
Here you go.
These things here.
Alright, so let's go kitchen off then. So when you come out, you just go so. Here. When you come out, you go so.
Pretty piece of corona. Yo, and I think them will never get old to me people. I like when, you know, normal people, because if you're not creative, you're normal to me. My opinion. When normal people walk and pass and just them will look one kind of way. And then I just hear one old man over there, so I cuss. Say, oh, you don't know what them money are doing in camera.
I'm not going to video with the mask.
Andrew.
Yeah, my dance machine, man. Ready?
Andrew, Mr. Brown, say.
Because she don't use it, nobody open door for her.
No, I didn't leave any fucking
How am I not catch that? Hey, look up ahead.
Come back, man. Sure. The bro man up in the window and lick up, come back. Alright, ready? Ready?
Yeah, police, them are coming up. The police officers are coming. So, me a scoot. You see me? Can't take no longer further now.
Alright, ready? My father lens, don't you? Yeah. Almost done here. One. So you have to keep out some team there.
Yo, give me a piece of that black pepper and a black pepper. Come on.
Black pepper. Would I burger king side as well?
Comes the burger.
If you are orange, you have a hungry.
Not asking. So people look like I this for the shoot, this for the behind the scenes as well. Yes, I bought it that. So I guess I just some like a miscellaneous around the town, the busy town and all that.
Where bus then? Where bus then?
Well, taxi business rough.
Yo, I'm inviting you. I'm going to go and go to the grill spot there, you know.
Alright, where have to do, man?
You go do.
Shoot me a shot, I work going, yeah. What's up?
Why the old school though?
Yeah. They are a little bit smaller though,
the quality terrible.
Yeah man, the quality nice man. Especially for Eddie.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bad man.
You love food that carry the pull on fear.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Fight, you gonna fight me. Massacre little sister.
You lick out there already, you know?
The man lick out there.
But I better take a carrot on fear. You go broke out there.
I feel like I war if a man box my DSLR out of my hand. If I not find the funny man, you want war. Would I fight?
The brown man can't walk, come on there. And the Becky and the Bonnie and the campus.
Alright, so when you go over there, start filming them, you want 15 minutes out of my phone out of it, you know.
Yes, I know, Mr. Brown.
I'll tell someone you want 15 minutes with your phone, VPS, I'm done.
Oh, the bad iPhone. Oh yeah, pose up and I'll do.
We still have the camera in my face.
Take off, stop touch my lens now. I don't touch your lens now. Tell like a mag about it. We're up on the beach now, people, but I don't think I'm going to do much recording because we have music playing in the background. I don't want that video to get demonetized. And then the wind sound, I know the wind from the breeze fully for distortion. So probably just make this in a B-roll, like just B-roll everything here. So visuals and music. Probably. Let's see what we're going. No, I want to call no.
Oh, tap, hold on.
My friend said, you can't stay in the water too long, you know.
only upper body, me I say. I'm not show them nothing.
Don't video me. Come out of my face.
Say, love walk up in the camera, say, man. Watch him. Alright, so I saw them do the shooting.
Send me the police if I'm busy with nothing. No, I think I'm here. Say, when I put me the police and how my mindset stay. Come on, girl. I don't care about nothing. People are out in a curfew and do them up.
See your brother sing the girl.
Alright, so you don't want to sit down.
No, girl, I'm too heavy feeling.
Wait. Yes, it almost, yes. This is like. The camera is not going to chop. It take too long to start.
Oh, so the 6K Pro, yeah?
Alright, so this is a camera enough to run and gun at you.
May I say this camera was made, I hope you plan for third man.
Production camera.
Yeah, long before you turn on, you have to plan for turn on.
Yeah man, it's a production camera, it's not a run and gun camera.
This camera is not, don't waste my time. Make sure you know you want to shoot.
I'm going to buy one next year. These are the serious product. I don't like the fact that you're the man take out and all the
No, here we go.
You sit down too much. Stop.
We take up Alton style. How we do? Must have
Yeah.
Take up Alton dirty style.
So walk out to people in body.
When you man shoot with them. Right now and action. It's like when I have the police at the chance on Richard gun for this hat.
Yeah.
I like when I whisper in her ears and she smiling. Go on, say me. I don't know what you tell us.
But I don't like hair. I'm like hair Wally.
See me, man. Yeah.
That's worse.
Alright, so he said, I'm going to do you right with that sunlight in it, then we just put on the side two on the wall and face each other. I get close. What? Yeah, go on down the sun now.
And what is? This is Shakespeare?
Might as well. Come, go down there. But this is Shakespeare, you want a stone. What if this is Shakespeare?
Yeah, you touch here, man.
You see you want to walk and shake your ass, you just back right up on him back.
And that me and same too.
Yeah, man, right after here, But I need that one, I lift her up, like so. You want to lift up there? Yeah. The man ready? The man, go on. Yeah, spin her. Alright, what do you mean? Yeah. Alright.
Let's take him and dash him in the water now. Let's dash him off in the water.
Put him in the water, don't throw him in the water. Can't find out to your back.
Bro man, come like you free that water. Saying can't go in that water. What? Where's it? My ass spread no room.
Alright, good, that's good. Alright, if you're going in the water, go in the water. Hey, car don't lift up, nothing there, car?
Nope.
Push up here.
Nothing there.
No, if you're going in the water, go in the water and then no, we can ready and go.
May I go and wait for now to say, man. Later, bye. Bye.
Oh, Dad. See how the girl bad.
Oh, we never go in.
Me could have been your mother. Look, by the way, look here. I told me I know your mother make you feel sick and talk to me anyhow. Hmm?
No man, Candy never bad things to say. She make you say what she has said.
Can't stop me.
Hold on, no, you could know what I'm doing, man.
Okay, start over.
So, what is it? You didn't say last part that if I choose she and her mother.
Start from there, son.
Right.
Alright. I told me I know your mother make you feel sick and come talk to me like that. Me could have been your mother. I am your stepmother and you need to talk to me with respect. You hear me? Make it be the first and the last you say Candy. Is either say Auntie Candy or Miss Candy, whatever. X out the candy, me ain't no size. You understand? Okay. I know manners.
Cut. Here we are now. Here we are now. Here we are now. Candy.
Hey, then they talking to me feel like I'm going to
You see, come here and say, oh, that part there, come in and look how she hook me up.
No, do it all the time. Go back for her.
No, I
Her facial expression and Candy attack for her. When media think she has
yes, Miss Candy.
I feel it up.
Wait, no, let me hear what she
I feel okay. You know what media think? You know what media think a while ago? So, I don't know back in a stepmother you be. But if I am bad step, kind of one good stepmother, but kind of bad stepmother. Me would have said, yeah, when I said to her, I said, alright, start over now. Go and come back again. So I send you back there, so yeah, so I send you back there, so and we can come back again.
Alright, we are here. Alright, so
No, she already move it, man. Sketch the last part. But don't shoot it from the angle all the time. Shoot it from the next angle.
Should you say?
No, but don't shoot it from the angle. Shoot it from the angle.
Richie? Start back from...
No, but not you.
Oh,
I'll love it, cheap, her response. But even though I answer now on low voice, the camera won't pick you up, so say it cannot be loud.
Alright.
You hear what I'm saying? I need to say that.
No man, are you say? Yeah, just kick her off, Candy.
Okay.
Ready?
As from now on, make it be the first and the last, you say Candy. It's either Miss Candy or Auntie Candy. Me is not size. You hear what me say?
Yes, Miss Candy.
Alright.
Then after she said that, you can say, alright, come, try again.
Alright, come, try again.
Alright, so I'm going to make sure you get up now.
No, I don't think she have to get up. She can just start the conversation where she wants this. But crap. The way she say it. How y'all go in a stage, don't go tell her. Tell her what I want to tell her. That I think. You know what? Alright. You still can't tell her. You're prime, so you still can't say it.
The prime? Yeah.
You're prime, so you still can't say it.
Anyways, I'm really come to
Yes,
about.
yes, a Miss Candy. Like how me are 16 now. You know, some of the things say, I could have one boyfriend.
Or you see somebody where you like.
Somebody had jump.
Well, she see somebody where she like.
We not say that.
She want to have one boyfriend.
Nobody had jump.
No, she don't say that.
Come on.
Alright,
What
so-
do you think this is?
Ready now, go back for it. I wish I could last song like it.
Yes, Miss Candy.
Right. So now you also to him say, Candy, you can start by saying no, sir.
As in
Wait,
say no.
you know, wait, you said to me. Wait, you said to me now. Ready.
Where's the Alton? What's your name?
Tasha.
Tasha. Alright. I didn't know your name, though. What's this? Alright, tell me the time.
Ready.
Yes, Miss Candy.
By the way, Tasha,
Yeah.
where did you come to me to talk to me about?
Oh.
What?
Me not like that part you always say.
Yeah, your son.
Go do it over, boss.
Like you rehearse it.
No, like me name. No, me say like me name no me as you know. I don't want to see what's on there. Me just all said, by the way, Tasha, where did you come to talk to me about? But me just,
in Africa,
and then me say about, like me know everything.
in Africa, I do, where they are say?
Alright, come now. Let's start.
No, man.
Who don't know Jandy?
Then.
Look, have a camera from
Start, start. By the way, where did come fit out to me about?
Oh, me did that ask this.
Yo, you know, say more low that one, you know. So chat low.
What?
You need to
Remember
speak
you just showed that for me.
Speak loud, say I
No,
didn't
she
say
can
anything.
talk loud but not shouting.
Not shout.
Ready, Alton?
Yeah, ready.
By the way, where did come fit out to me about?
Oh. When did I ask you if when you first have sex?
Don't be ashamed. Don't ask
Come on, Thomas.
No, that is if you ask her.
No,
that is
Man, you are, man.
No, when you ask
You can't
her.
just ask her so.
No.
So when you say sex?
No.
If you ask her more code,
No, man, when you ask her, say.
So what sex
Miss
is sex?
Candy.
Sex is the right word.
Well, whatever, but
No,
you
I
come
got
to Candy and say,
What they want?
so Miss Candy.
Like how me are 16
like how me are
now.
16 now.
Don't you have a boyfriend?
Me can have one boyfriend. Right.
Ready?
Come again, Fran.
But that not a soft one, but that's still prime.
Yeah. But you have to dry up and ask me that kind of read.
Already.
Greg, you can't set him up, you know.
Who wants to know?
No, like mother, so you want to have sex now. Yeah.
Yeah, you can put this after.
Hello.
Ready?
When you go say yes, now put smile on the face and see what's funny. No.
So start by finding out how many for ask me.
Ready.
Oh yeah, me did for ask you. Though so now me are 16. Don't me can't have a boyfriend?
Boyfriend. How old are you? At 16 you say or 20? Eh?
No, Candy, what was that boy you go?
Say
That's
and sex.
So you want to have sex now?
So you want to have sex
I'm
now?
going to
Yes,
make
Yes.
I'm going to make him a 20.
You can't say.
No, man. No, we take it from the sense and now I'm 16 and don't go back at age again.
No, Candy can't say because we can't cut to one.
What?
No, man. No,
I don't want to say what me know.
Go on,
No,
go
that's
straight
your
to it. Straight to sex. You want to have sex now?
So that we say we do.
Alright, yeah.
That we say.
So and you know the first time when we did sex could have actually
Where you say what?
that.
Where you say what?
No, the last part about Candy said, you how much you're 20 now, what that should that?
Just go straight to sex.
Just say.
But when we did start
Why you feel like
when
you
you
start have sex now?
when you start when you first have sex, she could have literally
No,
said,
no on that. No on that.
How much there is that?
ready.
Let's go.
Fanta.
Ready.
Me and a friend together now.
Oh, ready.
So you want to have sex now?
No, you want to start.
You want to start to have sex now?
Yeah. You
No,
can't
no,
feel like
no,
you
have
want
sex
to
within the
start. Then you want to start have sex and you can sit and wait later. Then we say you want to have sex now, like you told me.
Wow.
And then they say,
No.
Ready, let's go.
But I'm never. No, me know
Want to take away the mother for your
I
father.
know what I mean.
Wow.
Come.
What is it?
Ready, Alton?
Ready.
So you want to start have sex now? You're not saying anything?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, that was all. Just make it quick.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Ready. Ask him again. Come ready.
Ready? So you want to start have sex now? You're not saying nothing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Can you
Time come like.
Alright, ready. Watch out, stop moving.
Can't not say nothing.
Stop moving on.
Let's go now.
Continue say and then yeah.
You're not saying nothing?
Yeah.
Yes. You ready to have sex? And that you said to me? Little girl.
Good.
Can you do it me now? Me not need to. You don't really forget it here, man.
Ready.
Talking time.
Little girl.
Lean back and then go back.
you sit
Oh,
down.
sit up. Little girl. So you want to start having sex now?
No.
You're sexually active?
No.
So when you say you want to have sex, I don't understand because you're just 16.
I asked you.
You ask me what it sound like you'll do it already. Are you a virgin?
She's a virgin.
See then now. You don't know what they call virgin and you want to go out there in the world before time. Sex is not for your age. Older than you. Even though sex is for everybody, but under your time yet. You will get pregnant and man will disown your kidney. You can have unprotected sex and catch disease. You understand? Not because I say unprotected sex, you will have disease and get pregnant. That don't mean you have to go use protection and go have sex. You're not ready yet. You understand me? Let me tell you something. You see, if you have some friend at school where they talk about they have their man or their boyfriend and you feel like say you want to have man too, don't bother with it in here. If you feel say, "Chum, me and your mother," you can get up and go outside and do what you want to do and come back in like some innocent child. And not say go.
Stop, I don't stop.
You ever hear about probation officer?
No.
Huh? Don't let me carry you to them. Hey, you wouldn't like to know where you would reach. You see people them will go to them place there? Them children with your ears they go to them place there. Then come back worse than how they go in there. So you need to know yourself. Stop thinking about man and think about your book. Education is the key. And that come first. Unless you want to unwalk it.
Alright, remember,
me say,
we are.
You back right there? Hello!
Yeah, some females that are terrified for their father. So my time, most of the time, we can use their trick. So yo, okay, what me tell the father we are connected. You know what I mean? Can I use it that way?
You never want it go so deep in counseling then.
You know what I
mean? Can you dip on roll aside, we never tap him in.
I'm making talk, but if we use it, but just give me the next option too.
You work as she teach
any funny
raw teaching.
You want to tell the father we are going with. Like we put in the sexual argument. Can you know if your father stay ready? Did you start the conversation saying, you know, mention about your father though?
Not yet.
Your father say, you know, if your father know why you have no boyfriend.
We can dash, we can go down there last week, but get like one 6 or 7 minutes as she and look on Candy because that long conversation needs some interject with fear face. So you give me some facial expression and look on Candy.
So can you remember everything I said?
No, you cannot chat anything you want, but want the facial expression.
Then have that part already, so if you say
because we can talk to her intense, you know. She has sweat, you know. Can you sweat
more? Up everything.
Alright, so give me back that facial expression then when Candy talk to you so we can see your face. But sometimes you have all the hand in your mouth, you know.
Like, yeah. Think about me and say,
Ready. I just want to talk some things, Candy. Ready?
Listen to me now. You're not an adult, you're a child. And I don't time for you to have sex yet. Sex is for everybody, but it's not your time. You understand? Me say if you understand. Don't shake your head at me. Okay. And let me tell you something. You see, if your friend them were outside or with you and them go to school, you hear them a chat, me a man or me a boyfriend, nobody with it. It's not
that good enough. Alright, so let's go to the last part of the play that tell about Candy. I was saying now. Can join back to the last part. The way I say you have find out if he introduce you saying so dash all that out of your brain. Or maybe you just say twice, so listen. You see if you ever come to me no argument like this, go good.
Again.
No, you have to find out way to say it now way where you say you are telling father. So you come to me in an argument there. Come like I tell you what I tell your father.
I asked him, so you
want to wait for me to sound like a giant till last part.
Yeah, but giant teeth, so
just need to
when I say we'll talk about go back to the counseling and then you take it from dust and say, did you talk to your father about this?
Okay.
Or when the father come later, whether we choice and discuss this now. Because it's not normal. And if I say no, yes, I said no, so you can't go to the up. It's alright. You do go on the road now. You don't lift, man. You think so deep, you know, but keep it yourself.
So I just go straight into it and say...
Yeah, see, that sound like Jan just a thing say, I say, you did tell your father about this?
Everything says we share with Chas alone and talk about this.
Right, but this son...
Too much. Yeah,
too much fishy alone, don't you? Alright, already know all that, but this time I don't shoot see me cross shoulder, but I'm going to tight a shot of candy face.
Right.
Yes, man.
Yes.
A long time ago, your TV said that like TV, you have work on yes, man, TV.
Yep, yeah, man.
I mean, I say, I can hear around down there. Alright. Go ahead. Come closer. Go up.
You talk about me and him and his father, man.
No, let's go straight into it, man. They say, ask her, say, if you can tell your father about this.
You did mention this to your father? No. Well, this too rough for me alone deal with. Me need to talk to your father, so the three of we are going to talk.
No, Miss Candy, please, don't tell me.
Cut. You can say, no, Miss Candy, never want to have sex. Put it up, never want to have sex. Every time. Can't cut it, I can close it. Anyway, I have to go up and do it now, so I think I'll give it. Can you touch what can?
Ready? You did mention this to your father? No. Well, this too rough for me alone deal with. It makes sense me talk to your father. No. Wait, me make my mistake. I try to talk to him, father, and he not go agree. Sorry, man, because I try to find out something for one difference. Stop. You did mention this to your father? No. This too rough for me alone deal with. Me and your father, I go talk about this.
No, Miss Candy, you never want to have sex.
You never want to have sex?
More dark kitchen, boy.
You sure?
Yeah.
More dark. Oh, sure you
More dark kitchen.
Sure. You don't
More dark kitchen, how do you do?
Come out of the kitchen.
More dark kitchen.
Yo. Come out of the kitchen.
You sure? Stop right for sure.
You're going to beat you.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You don't want to have sex? Oh, sure you be?
Sure.
You say the next time you come to me with them the kind of argument there, make sure say you have it in your head, say me and you and your father go talk about this. Because you don't reach your age yet, I don't know you think about sex already. Anyway, I go on the road and make sure say you stay in the yard and stop call them friend because I don't know them I tell you saying what you tell them saying on to gym and I'm going to make your father take away phone from you. To out of that. Right.
Fix 35 lens, people. I want to recommend that for the facial thing, but it's whatever. Like for the tight close-up shots. John, done. No, pause that. No music, pal.
No, understand, so when shooting is going on, no noise not supposed to be.
I feel so then done.
When I'm not sure.
Shut the hell up. They need this to post it.
Well, publishers stay in house.
Happy for you. When you're shooting now, I'm going to can play everything on one play. That's like
What's shooting done?
Copyright. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just say I'm not ready for sex. Don't send it up around here.
Then that's why you have to yesterday watch that make you want to about sex.
But just not watch it.
So you're not watching enough time, so why you come out about sex? Send you.
Just send me in. I will
You
get
are
to
talking
some.
to the same top. You see you?
So you're going to do now, Papa? No, take no part, no move it today.
No, I mean,
How do you want name?
what's going on in my house?
Okay. If I could have killed, know who did long time. Mr. Lawrence.